Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. Finally, this time we managed to get down at South Lake. Well, I've been really wanted to come back this lake, but every time I came down, it was so many people down. There was not available swim. There was maybe one swim available, but there was no fish in it. Finally, this weekend, I managed to get down. Today is Saturday. I couldn't come yesterday because my car had a MOT and I finished late. So I decided to come this morning, Saturday morning. After that, I'm coming look around in South Lake. Maybe we're gonna get one good swim or anything where I can go. Where is the fish? Luckily, the lake is not really busy at all, so most of the people are already gone, and it's Saturday afternoon, like 5 o'clock, and most of the people are gone. So there's a few more around. They spread around, but it's really nice. But we are here finally. After I don't know when I was here last time. I only been here once, and maybe 2 months or 2.5, 3 months ago. But I always keep coming down, looking around if I can do a session here, but I couldn't because there were so many people. But finally, this time we managed to get a swim, and hopefully we're gonna get some fish as well. So I choose this swim because this morning when I walked around, got here around 8, 9, maybe 10 o'clock. Maybe 10 o'clock. I looked around, walked around, and there was one guy here before. They were fishing this swim, and they went around 12 o'clock, just before 12. So I left my bucket here because I seen a few fishing in our middle-ish area. And also I was talking with another anglers, and they said there was loads of movement in the middle area where I am at the moment. So I choose this swim. I believe them, of course. So I choose this area because I seen a few fishing, and also other anglers told me there was some jumping last night here, and they were showing a lot. So fishing around 5 hours now. One rod is close to the island, another one is a solid bag on a gravel spot, so pretty promising, but at the moment we haven't had anything. Well, we might gonna move, you never know. We might gonna pick up later and then we're gonna move another swim, who knows. At the moment this swim is looking quite good, and yeah. If they start showing on that area later on, I might gonna just pack up and borrow my stuff there. Hopefully, hoping that we can catch some. I'll talk to you later. Oh, good morning. What a morning, man. I can't believe it. Oh, this is nice. We managed to catch a fish. $28.8 common. Oh, really close to 30. Damn, look at this main fish. Oh, so happy. A really big one. Look at this. 28.8 common carp, finally. Whew. It came from because last night I moved swim, but I see loads of fishing again on that swim, and I cast the rod there, and pretty much half an hour, 40 minutes, this 28-pound, 8-ounce common carp arrived on an essential IB pop-up. Wow, man, really good. Quickly another side. Really long one as well. Whew. So happy. Look at this. 28.8. What a fish. Oh, it gave me really. Whew, I thought few times I thought that I might lost it because it was the line pinged off from the tail or the fins, and I thought that I might lose it or lost it. And luckily we managed to get it in the net. But look at this, what a fish. First fish of the trip. What I've done, I've seen few fizzing around that area. Couple of pouch of boilie, probably around 20 boilie. I cast the essential IB pop up on the top. And here we go, 28.8. Little bit treat. Yes, 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 yes. So happy, so happy. A big fish. The nose scare missing. Really good. Ah man, I hope I'm going to move back now again on my previous swing where I was last night and cast the rod back. And hopefully we're gonna nick a few more. I also seen a few movements under the willow tree, so I might gonna cast one rod there as well. So let's get this beautiful fishy back, and hopefully even bigger one is on the way. Yes, come on guys. Can't believe it. So that was a few times where the fish jumped out close to the willow tree and under the willow tree. I put the rod down under the willow tree. I nicely wade in just to get nicely under the willow tree. You would think that's really shallow. Okay, it's really shallow till the first 3 or 4 meter, and then after it's dropped down like really deep, maybe 182 meter. So I got one rod there. I left it all day yesterday, and then around 7 o'clock I thought that it doesn't look like it's going to happen. I moved that rod back to the island where I was feeding before, because I know the fish every time when I'm looking this area, they always feed in the same spot, I mean same area. So I got my left, at the moment that's a left rod, but before was my right rod. So I got my left rod about 11 rod length out, which is a nice sealed area. So I don't fish on a gravel at the moment, I fish on a sealed because it looks like the fish feeding on a sealed more. So that's where I had a fish last night as well. Yesterday morning. And I got one rod there. And this morning, again, they are fishing around that area. So I reeled in my island rod and cast it just a little bit shorter than another one and a little bit more to the right, because they were fishing over this area a lot. So that's what I'm trying at the moment, and hopefully one of my rods gonna go. I would like to catch one more, but I don't know if you can see, but so much fishing. Just over there. And up a little bit. Hopefully it's visible. as it looks like we should get another bite because it looks really good and the fish is feeding on my spot or close to my spot. What I've done on my, because I reeled in one of my rods, and all I did, I cut up with a couple of pouch of boilies out to, maybe they are just picking up some boilies, not feeding heavily, I don't know. So maybe I just want them to pick up my boilie one by one, and hopefully they pick up my hook bait with it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to cut it out a little bit. It's not a lot, it's like 8. Trying to put it straight where I... Get a bit more, one more. But these bastards are here. Seagulls. Look at them. Oh, they are fizzing up over there a lot. Have to wait a little bit till the bastards are gone. Well, that's where we are at the moment. It's been really quiet, but not unsuccessful session. Sometimes if you see a fizzing fish, you just have to choose. You have to sacrifice one of your rod. That's what so many times it's happened with me. I've seen a fizzing around different area. I cast one rod there, and within an hour, I would say hour or even less, it's gone. It's a ripping take, and we have a fish. Last time it's happened with me when I fished in Frimley. I seen a bubbling, a fizzing. I cast one rod there, as I cast it and it just landed and it went straight away. So it went in my hand. So it just goes to show, if you see fizzing and one of your rod not producing or haven't had anything on it, or which is you less confident, just where to drop one rod there. Hopefully one of my rods gonna go in any minute. I'm going to drink my coffee and hoping for a bite, because we are still in the right time. It's really early, 8 o'clock. Well, what we can do is wait at the moment. Okay, Good news, guys. We got another fish. Again, casting on a showing fish, feeding fish. Proves to be the working tactic in this session. Let's see how big is this one. 25.8. 25.8, nice mirror. Ooh, look at this. Come closer a little bit. Let's over this one. Yes, second fish of the session. Really, really nice. Look at this. 25.8. And I think we're gonna get more because loads of fishing around that spot. What I've done, casted a Ronnie rig, white pop-up and a few pouch of boilie, around 30 boilies around it. Maybe took half an hour to get this fish in, but whew, well worth it, well worth it. Nothing gonna bait its spot at the moment, but it still got time. We still got some time left. Hopefully one on a baited spot as well comes in, and this session's gonna be a perfect. Yes, look at this, guys, look at this. 25.8. Really good session. There we go. Managed to catch another one. Yes. What a beauty. They're getting bigger and bigger. Oh, we fought really hard. Fought really, really hard. All right, let's do some pictures and put some antiseptic on it, and we're gonna release the fishy. All right, this is it for this session. I think there is a yeah. This is it for this session. We managed to catch 2 fish, 2 mid 20. Really happy for. First fish, the 28-pounder, it came on an essential IB pop-up on this one. The old faithful essential IB pop-up. And another one is still in the water. I'm about to take it out, show you, and I think we wrap this up and I'm going home. It was a good session. 28.8 and 25.8. Last minute, I can't believe it. I was just about to pack up. If I would take this rod out, I wouldn't get this bite. I can't believe it. Man, what? Oh no. I lost it. I lost it. God damn it, hook pull. Unbelievable. Oh man. It makes me want to stay more. This is another rod which we just had a bite, and sadly we lost it. White pop-up. What's happened here? Stango. What's happened here? There we go. White pop-up and Ronnie rig. Ah man, should I put it back? Am I gonna do that? Well, that's it for this episode. I stick around for a few more hours in a different swim. As you can see, I'm in a different swim now. Oh, that was a movement there. So I sticked around in a few more hours in a different swim because I see few movement. I thought that we might gonna catch one, but it did not happen. Well, we have a good run anyway. We managed to catch two and lost one sadly. It was a good session, good 48 and a little bit more. So around 50 something hours, which is fairly good. Thanks for watching this episode. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you're never gonna miss any other videos. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye now.